keep walking down the street. People, they look at me. They say I'm looking fabulous. A bitch, obviously. Milan, Paris, Rome. I am never alone. I wear awesome fancy brands. You know why? 'Cause fashion is my passion, papi.